All right, well, we are trying this in iMovie, so we'll see how this goes. Anyway, the polls closed yesterday afternoon, or yesterday evening, I guess, really. The poll had been, I was debating about a Nano or an iTouch, and the polls closed, and it was iTouch 6, Nano 0. So there it is. Hold it so you don't get all the reflection off of it, Paul. 16 gig iTouch. And we'll see here. How do we get this silly thing open? Well, there we go. We've got some serious tape on this thing. There we go. All right, so got some serious tape on the one end of this thing, and they've got some tape with no. Anyway, open, take the tape off the one end. Actually, you need to take the tape off both ends if you can find the tape on the one end. There we go. Who says good packaging is dead? Huh? All right, so a nice little little container here, and oh goodness, they really just do not want you to get this thing out. It's not going to go anywhere, that's for sure. And so here we go. So here you have it, and then you got to take the tape off, more tape. In order to get wow. Okay. There it is. Oops. Well, there you can actually see the. Let's see if it's got a charge here. And no, it doesn't look like it's charged at all. So, and the wonderful, infamous, if you can see it there, designed by Apple of California. And in there, here's your little quick touch, iPod Touch quick start, and all your accoutrements as they go falling out of the. There's the plug, the USB attachment, the little adapter, and the pair of headphones, all here. Oh, and it looks like a little well, we won't go there. Looks like a little protector coverage or something like that. Anyway, that's it. Pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty straightforward. So we will let you know how this all goes as we get it up and running. And oops, right there you see over my other shoulder, there are the boys. They're so excited about this they can hardly stand it. Anyway, have a great rest of your Thursday, and we'll update you more on the 16 gig iTouch.